welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video you're actually going to learn how to make a headpiece from an artificial flower, so stay tuned. So I actually got the artificial flower and I actually sprayed it into the golden color. I actually didn't like the white, so I needed to make it gold, so I sprayed it to the golden color. Okay, so this is basically the brand that I used. So this is actually, so after I was dried up, everything was imperfect. I got my hairband and I actually glued them to the headband. So with this, there is no strategic way of doing it. I always say that craft is basically you doing something. So I actually place them around, and if they look nice, I just start to do it like that. Okay, actually the camera wasn't positioned well, so whilst I was doing, I didn't even notice that some of the parts were missing. Okay, so basically this is it. I hope you understand what I did here. I actually placed the sprayed artificial flower on the headpiece with the help of the glue gun, and I actually wanted to give a bit of bright color. So actually the Ankara dress that I was actually going to wear for the photo shoot, I actually made sure that I did some bit of cuttings or applique removal from the Ankara dress, and then I actually added it to the headband, and I actually used the glue gun to make that attachment, so it actually made it super extra easy. So this is actually how it looked like after everything was done. So yes, this is actually how it looked like after. I really appreciate it if you've made it this far. And of course, if you're new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't be notified anytime I post anything on this platform. I come up with fashion related content every single week. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.